Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Geoguessr for free on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Geoguessr on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Microsoft Edge browser. Reminder guys, you can't use any other web browser, you must only use Microsoft Edge in order for this to work. But if you don't have a Microsoft Edge, you can download it on Chrome easily. Just search for Microsoft Edge download and then you will now be able to find the website where you can download it. And once you already have your Microsoft Edge, just go and open it. And once you're on your Microsoft Edge, next, you will need to go to the official website of Geoguessr, since that's where we will download the game. So just search for geoguessr.com on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So before you can download Geoguessr on this website, you will need to have an account for the game first. So if you already have one, just log it in right here. But if you don't have an account yet, then just create your account right here. So you will have 4 options you can select here to create your Geoguessr account. So just select whatever you like. In my case, I will choose to create my account using my Google. And after that, your Geoguessr account will now be created. So now that you already have your account, let me now show you how to download the Geoguessr app. So to do that, first, I want you to click this 3 dots at the top. And then select the apps option. And after that, there it is guys. You will now see the install Geoguessr option right here. Just go and click it. Then click the install button once again. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Geoguessr game installed on your device, so you can now start playing it. And by the way guys, you might notice that even after installing Geoguessr, you might still not find the app on your desktop home screen. So to fix that, just go back to the app. And once you're on the app, I want you to click this 3 dots right here. And then select App Settings. And finally, for the last step, just click this Create Desktop Shortcut button to add the app to your desktop home screen. And after clicking it, it's done. Congratulations, your Geoguessr app will now be added to your desktop home screen. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.